Monthly income from investment is not magic. It's about choosing a right financial product that pays consistency. Okay, in today's video, I will discover where you can invest your money and get monthly income consistently. Okay, so I would like you to watch this video to the end, because by the end of this video you're going to know how to invest your money and earn monthly income consistently. Okay, so when we say monthly income investing, simply means putting your money into an investment that pays return every month. Okay, it has low to moderate risks, help you build steady cash flow. It's perfect for beginners, students, workers, or anyone who wants extra income they can count on. Okay, so the first place that you can invest your money is money market fund. Okay, so when we say money market fund, it simply means you and your friend has money on you. So instead of you to keep it in your pocket, you decided to put it together and put it on money pot. Okay, so the pot you are putting all your money in is money market fund. Okay, so when you put your money on the pot, then you choose one, use that money to go and then invest it. Okay, so that person you have chosen, you call him fund manager. Okay, so the fund manager will save your money short period of time and then go for your money with an interest. Okay, so that's how money market fund work. Many people like investing in money market fund because it has very low rates. You can withdraw your money anytime. They pay return monthly. Okay, so every monthly they pay your return. Okay, so if you put 1,000 Ghana cedi, any amount you will put it in it, then each month they will pay you your return. Okay, so many people like investing their money in money market fund. And the next one where you can invest your money is, so the next place you can invest your money again is you can buy treasure bill. Okay, so when you invest in treasure bill, well, it's like giving your money to a government for short period of time. Okay, so when a government is paying your money, the government will pay you with an interest. Okay, so let's say you keep 1,000 Ghana cedi to invest in treasure bill. Okay, so let's say 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. Okay, so when the government is paying you back your 1,000 Ghana cedis, they will pay it with interest. Okay, so invest in treasure bill also is one of people they like investing in treasure bill because treasure bill also has low risks. Okay, because it's owned by a government. Okay, so you can invest in treasure bill for a short period of time. It depends on a month you want to invest in it. Okay, so you can invest it in a short period of time and then get your money and then get your income also. Treasure will also pay income monthly. Okay, so they also pay monthly income. Okay, so you can invest in treasure bill also. And the next one is dividend paying stock. Okay, dividend paying stocks. Okay, so there in Ghana, here there are a lot of company you can buy their stock. Okay, we have MTN, Farmer Company, Guinness Company, a lot of company that pay dividend every 3 months or 6 months or 1 year. Okay, so any stocks you want to buy, you can buy stocks. Okay, so when you buy stock, you become a part of that. Let's say you buy MTN stock, you become a part of MTN company. So when MTN company works very hard, at the end of the day, then they will pay you a dividend. Okay, and if MTN doesn't pay, if MTN doesn't work very hard, at the end of the day, the dividend they will give you will be small. because for the stock, the dividend is not fixed. Okay, sometimes it go higher and sometimes also it will go down. Okay, and one thing on stock is that many people like on stock is that you can buy it on cheap price, and when you see that the price has going on, then you can sell it for others also and earn profit on it. Okay, so this is how stock also works. Okay, so you can invest in stocks, any stocks you want to invest in. Okay, and the next thing also is mutual fund. Okay, you can invest in mutual fund. And one thing on mutual fund also has a low risk. Okay, but their monthly income is not fixed because sometimes it go higher, sometimes also it's reduced. Okay, that's how mutual fund also works. Okay, so you can invest in mutual funds, but the monthly income is not fixed. Okay, and the next one is fixed income investment. Okay, fixed income investment, you can also invest your money in fixed income investment. It's have fixed interest, low rates, and then pay interest monthly. Okay, so when you invest in fixed income investment, you have they have fixed interest. Let's say you invest 2,000 Ghana cedis and their interest is 200 cedis. Okay, so in every month you will get 200 cedis. It doesn't change, either it go up or go down. It doesn't change. You will receive every month 200 Ghana cedis. That's how fixed income investment work, and it also have a low risk. Okay, so if you want where to invest your money, these are the place you can invest your money. And don't rush also to go and then invest your money in any investment place. Okay, anywhere to invest, because they are saying they have high returns, you will get more dividend, you get high, so because every investment comes with risks. Okay, so make sure to do your own research before putting your money in any investment plan. Okay, so these are the place you can invest your money and earn monthly income consistently. If you found this video helpful, here is Profit My Channel. Don't forget to like, share, and if you have any comments, leave it on comment down below. Okay, thank you for watching it, and I see you in my next video. Bye.